Okay, hello everyone. Let me show today our Machenike G6V2 controller. How to switch use key combinations. One of our light modes. These are two light strips. Okay, if we want to adjust the mode of lighting, we hold down F plus, right cross button to adjust. FN plus, the right cross button. You can see that the lighting will change. Light mode. It is. The light follows the trigger. Now it's close mode. This is a colorful gradient. This one is colorful breathing. This is a light that follows the joystick change. A red light breathes a blue streamer. Then the trigger is turned off. The light gradually brightens based on the analog output of the joystick. We trigger it, okay. After that, close. Such a cycle like this. Okay. Then, how do we switch the brightness of a light? Press FM plus the left cross button. Perform a cycle of 4 levels from 0 to 100. Hand off. Okay, then the brightness of the ABXY lights. It is synchronized with our overall lighting. But it won't end up shutting down. If we want to turn off only ABXY buttons lights, press FM plus the left D-pad and hold for 5 seconds to close switch them off. Okay, like this. We can close just one of our ABXY lights. If we are going to open it, just repeat the operation just now. Press and hold FN plus D-pad left for 5 seconds. Then its lights can be turned back on. Okay, that's our lighting mode. A general demonstrative switching.